What's up, peeps? Thanks for joining me. My name is Damon Warren, and this is Day One Adventures. In today's adventure, we are up in Philly at the Philadelphia Flower Show. So a couple of things that I already noticed this year. Members get in at 9. All other tickets are 10 a.m. Show opens at 10 a.m. So if you become a member, you can get in an hour earlier. This is the second day. So it opened up, well, they had the preview on Friday. Saturday was the first open day for the public, and then we're here on Sunday. So yeah, one of the benefits coming on the second day is you go straight in and then everything. They do a refresh about midway through. So 9 a.m. you can get the Marketplace. 10 a.m. you get up to the main floor. So this is nice. You can come inside, stay warm. So members are 9 a.m. Everybody else is 10 a.m. So that's another reason to become a member. All right, we're heading in. 10 o'clock crew's heading upstairs. So they're only doing it this way for 1 year. You can come in, go to the Marketplace until 10 o'clock, and then at 10 o'clock they open up the whole thing. This was because they had to do some reorganization because of another convention. So they have the waiting outside here. People wait in queue out there, and then you got a queue in here. So they did a lot of that to make sure the people weren't sitting outside in the cold. All right, here we go with the coat check. So just check my coat. It's $4 a coat if you do cash, and it is $5 if you're gonna use credit or pay or anything like that. So bring a little cash, save a buck. All right, now let's head into the show here. So they do have like little workshops you can join, little arts and crafts. Artisan Row, this is the Artisan. So like these are the little workshops. This is Artisan Row. You come in, you can sit down, do some art and stuff. So we got some speakers here. Know to Grow, speaker series. Orchard cultivation under residential indoor environments, the essential guide to bulbs. Gardening was always ours, and garden glory. There you go. Get a shot of sponsors. There you go. Enjoy and grow all year round. So look at this. This is where they're going to have the speakers at. Plenty of seats, so you can actually come in here. They got a monitor towards the back. 2 monitors. So not a bad seat in the house. And then once you are upstairs, straight back is your information. So this is a good rally spot, I call it. If you come here and you want to say, let's meet up at a place, I always say the information booth is a good place to meet up. Just say, meet me at the information booth. Anybody gets lost or misplaced, this is where you can get your chairs and everything. Lenny's Mobility, right there. So if you got older people need assistance or anything, come here, get a chair. Nice people at the information. Boston Found, that means people too. And then you have the show map. Let's take a look at the show map. All right, so we're entering right here. So it's the competition. So the promenade, we go around the promenade here. So that's what we're gonna do. They even have the seating marked out on this, which is nice. So a couple of other things that might help you when visiting the Philadelphia Flower Show is that there is a discount after 4 p.m. So if you buy your tickets and you have an entrance after 4 p.m., you can save about $10 on that. And they do say that the second Saturday is the busiest Saturday. Also, the crafts in the artisan area, those are extra costs. So if you want to do any making pots or anything, there is an additional cost. Each one's a little different. If you want to do the butterflies, that's an additional cost. It's like $8 for adults and $5 for kids. I always say if you're going to do one of the different things, get in line for that early, like especially the Artisan or the Bloom City. There's always a line for that. So I would say get there first, get a good selection, and then you can walk around the show and take your pictures and everything. So hopefully this helps you out. If it did, please let me know. Leave a like, comment. Really do appreciate it, and it helps out the channel a lot. So have you ever been to the Philadelphia Flower Show? You plan on going? Let me know. And thanks for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. So hit that like button and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And until next adventure, remember, take care of each other. Peace out, and I'll see you all soon.